So I started off working as a bricklayer since I was about 16 years of age. Always been a bricklayer. Never really thought I'd ever become a teacher, but working on site, I train up apprentices through bricklaying. Always quite enjoyed working with young people, teaching them the trade. And I saw this job role pop up here and I thought I'd go for it. Got the job and I've been here since. Never really a dull moment here. Always something interesting going on. I really enjoy transferring my skills to the students. Sort of get that good feeling knowing you can sort of make a bit of a change in somebody's life. So first few months here, there's definitely challenges with some of the sort of the learning difficulties, but I think once you sort of get to know them, you learn their needs and what you need to do to teach them and what the best way of learning for them is. I mean, there's some students that I do one-to-ones with. Some of them prefer that environment. They don't like the big classes, so you teach them one-to-one and you can get a lot more through to them, which you don't really get in the mainstream colleges much. It's just big classes. What I think makes me proud to work here is the fact that I can sort of have a role in teaching someone a skill that can change their life, that they can go on to pursue a career from. I've had students from when I joined could not even lay a brick to now, since I've been here, can build a full brick wall and they're sort of flying with it now, like getting on really well with it. Some of them, like, just to get them into the workshop was a challenge, and now they're out there, they want to work, they want to be learning new things, so that's quite a nice thing to see as well.
And how would you describe Nacro in one word?
I'd say future. You can shape somebody's future, can give them an opportunity for a future in their life, definitely.